Hello and welcome to the next episode of our tutorial series. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to add an exchange API key to the Altrady platform. By the end of this tutorial you'll be able to seamlessly connect your exchange accounts and start trading more efficiently. Before we begin, let's talk a little bit about the API keys and their importance in connecting the Altrady platform to your exchange accounts. An API key is a unique identifier that allows you to access certain features of an exchange trading platform, such as placing orders, checking balances, and viewing transaction history. By connecting your exchange accounts to the Altrady platform using API keys, you can trade more efficiently and effectively, without having to switch back and forth between multiple exchanges. To add an API key for your exchange account, go to the Exchange Accounts page on the Altrady platform. You can find this page by clicking on Settings and then select Exchange Accounts. Once you're on the Exchange Accounts page, click on Add API Key. When adding your API key to the Altrady platform, you'll notice that a unique 5-word password is already generated for you. This password is used to encrypt your API keys so that only you have control over them. It's important to note that this password is randomly generated and cannot be changed, so it's crucial to keep it safe and secure. Altrady uses this password to encrypt your API keys before storing them in the system. This means that even Altrady were to experience a data breach, your API keys would remain encrypted and therefore secure. Now the next step is to select your exchange from the drop-down menu, and Altrady supports many popular exchanges, including Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, and many more. Once you've selected your exchange, you'll need to enter your API key in secret. These keys can usually be found on your exchange account settings, and it's important to note that these keys give Altrady access to your exchange account. So it's crucial to keep them secure and never share them with anyone else. Before you create the API key on the exchange, you need to make sure that the correct permissions are selected. Altrady requires the trade permission to enable you to place orders and execute trades. However, it's recommended that you do not give the withdraw permissions, as this can potentially expose your funds. After adding your account, Altrady will provide you with a list of IP addresses that you need to copy and paste into the IP whitelist section of your exchange. This step is important to ensure that Altrady can securely connect to your exchange account. After configuring the IP whitelist, you can now copy and paste the API key in secret into the Altrady platform. When you hit save, the system will check the keys to ensure that it's working correctly. If everything is set up correctly, you'll be able to see your balance in Altrady. To view your account balance, you can go to the dashboard page or you can go to the portfolio. If you don't see any balances yet, then you can use this sync button to tell the system that you want to have your balances resynced. And then you should see your balances down here. Now that your balances are synced, you can go over to the trading terminal and start placing trades. In the account selection up here, you can change the API key that you want to use. If you have multiple API keys from the same exchange, you can easily swap them here. Also, if you have paper trading accounts, then you can make sure that only paper trading accounts are selected or only exchange accounts are selected. You can also have a combined overview by selecting the All function. In the next tutorial, we will show you how to find the markets and how to place trades using the API keys that you've just connected.